So here I have two terms where the coefficients and the variables are cubed. So I can rewrite 27 as 3 cubed times x cubed and 8 as 2 cubed times y cubed. And when I factorize, I'll create two sets of brackets. In my first set of brackets, I simply rewrite 3x plus 2y. So I reproduce these two terms, but I ignore the exponent of 3. But now that I have one set of 3x's in here, in my first term, I'm still left with 3 squared times x squared. And that goes in my second pair of brackets as 3 squared times x squared. I'm also left with 2 squared times y squared. And in my second pair of brackets, I have 2 squared times y squared. Notice that this last term will always be positive. And for the middle term, I multiply 3x times 2y, which is 6xy, and I change the sign between the terms to negative. So for the middle term, I simply multiply the two terms in the first bracket, and the sign in front of it will always be different than the sign inside the first bracket. So my final factorization would be 3x plus 2y in my first bracket, and then 9x squared minus 6xy plus 4y squared in my second bracket.